Before we delve deeper into Ron's story, I'd like to take a moment to go over some basic information on rocks and their healing properties. Now let's see if we can get this done quickly and clearly. Let's go. Igneous. Igneous rock, derived from the Latin word ignis, meaning fire, is one of the three main rock types. Igneous rock is formed through the cooling and solidification of magma or lava. Igneous rock may form with or without crystallization, either below the surface as intrusive plutonic rocks or on the surface as extrusive volcanic rocks. Sedimentary. Sedimentary rocks are types of rock that are formed by the deposition of materials at the Earth's surface and within bodies of water. Sedimentation is a collective name for processes that cause mineral and/or organic particles, detritus, to settle and accumulate. Particles that form a sedimentary rock by accumulating are called sediment. Metamorphic. Metamorphic rocks arise from the transformation of existing rock types in a process called metamorphism, which means change in form. The original rock, protolith, is subjected to heat, temperatures greater than 150 to 200 degrees Celsius, and pressure, 1500 bars, causing profound physical and/or chemical change. The protolith may be a sedimentary rock, an igneous rock, or another older metamorphic rock. What are the healing properties of these stones? Igneous is known to encourage our spirit to see beyond our present struggles and conflicts and our present circumstance. It allows us to swim through the tides of life, grow, and realize that even from the conflicts we have with the world we live in, we can emerge as a polished and healthy individual. A characteristic of igneous rocks is that they are resistant to pressure and scratching. Pressure and tension are two common causes why people lose spiritual balance in their life. Succumbing to pressure and tension destroy the harmony in our lives. With igneous rock healing, it brings about well-being by working out a better perspective of every circumstance that we have. No matter how complex life can be, we need to bear with the change to survive. Igneous rocks are a fine symbol of a survivor. There are various types of igneous rock, from basalt, obsidian, granite, pumice, and so many more. As for sedimentary rock, this rock formation originates from the influences of the environment. It draws attention to what exists and what does not exist. It becomes the one fixed article to this ever-changing world. As the teachings in psychology convince people that their family, friends, children, profession, training, home, school, and society have massive effect to shaping and developing their being, this realization pretty much described the very essence of sedimentary rock healing. There are various forms of this rock type, such as sandstone, shale, limestone, iron ore, and even coal. Sandstone is known to carry the healing properties of creativity, solidarity, truth, and understanding. An igneous rock that can be found almost anywhere is granite. Granite has been honored by many cultures, particularly the Aboriginal and Mayan cultures, as a sacred and powerful stone, allowing for increased protection and abundance. Composed primarily of quartz and feldspar, it also may contain orthoclase, which is a form of feldspar which can form into plate-like layers. This stone is known to work well on skepticism, allows for diplomacy, discretion, and cooperativeness. Granite is a wonderful relationship balancer. Granite also has been used to strengthen the hair and ailments associated with face and head. It's just our luck. It's a common rock found around the world. Metamorphic rock. The manner by which metamorphic rocks have been formed essentially mirrors life. While they carry energy and life, their character is defined and polished every time they undergo transformation. The resilience they have in bearing with the changes posed by the changes in Earth is symbolic of how we survive with the present struggles and conflict that we suffer in life. Metamorphic rock healing unleashes the power that these stones have to bring about wellness and inner peace. It also encourages our growth by assisting us in making realizations out of our circumstances in life. Many of the types of metamorphic rocks of which we are exposed to are used to make jewels and other items. They possess a distinct character that project aesthetics and strength. Metamorphic rock healing works with the principles that promote the transformation process. It encourages us to strengthen our character through everything that we face in our daily lives. In the matter of healing, it brings about change into a new form that is not just on the outside, but on the inside. The resilience and strength and adaptability shown by metamorphic rocks finds its way to influence you and guide you in your spiritual journey in facing the constant battles in life. Some various types of metamorphic rock are quartzite, soapstone, and slate. So we've learned that rocks are not just rocks. Even if we are unconsciously balancing rocks, we are going through a healing and transformative process. There is so much power in the earth that sometimes goes unnoticed. Something as simple as rock balancing can be so healing and transformative, it's hard to believe that it's actually free. Until next episode, keep in mind this quote from Gandhi: "You must be the change you wish to see in the world." Take a little time out of your day and explore the healing properties of rocks. Look at the change that they've influenced in the world.